To hide mutual friends on Facebook, follow these steps. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the profile of the person whose mutual friends you want to hide. You can do this by typing their name in the search bar at the top of the page and selecting their profile from the results. Once you are on their profile, click on the Friends tab. This will take you to a page that lists all of their friends. Click on the pencil icon next to the Friends title and select Edit Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Edit Privacy window, you will see a list of options that allow you to control who can see your friends list to hide. Mutual friends. Select Only Me from the Who Can See Your Friends list drop-down menu. This will prevent anyone, including the person whose profile you are on, from seeing your mutual friends. Alternatively, you can also choose to hide your entire friends list from specific people by selecting Custom from the drop-down menu and then typing in the names of the people you want to hide your friends list from. It is also important to note that while you can hide your friends list, you cannot hide the fact that you are friends with someone from their profile. If you are concerned about someone seeing that you are friends with a particular person, you may want to consider removing them as a friend or limiting the amount of information you share with them. By following these steps, you can easily hide your mutual friends on Facebook and maintain control over your online presence. Remember to review your privacy settings regularly to ensure that your information is protected and only shared with the people you intend to share it with.